What's up, everyone? This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel, we talk about personal finance and credit cards. And in this video, we're going to cover how to sign up and download the Xoom app on your phone. Just so you know, the Xoom is a PayPal transfer service, so you do need a PayPal account in order to use it. So you want to start off by clicking the link in the description or in the pinned comment, and that'll take you to the place where you can download the app. Alternatively, you can go to your phone's App Store or Apple Store to download the app. Once at the store, click on Install, then click on Open. Once here, click on Login or Sign Up. Then you'll want to click on Log In with PayPal, or you can click Sign Up with PayPal if you don't have a PayPal account. You'll then be taken to the PayPal login screen, which you can use to log into your account. First, enter your email, then your password, then click Login. Then from here, you're officially logged into your Xoom account, and you can begin doing tasks such as send money, etc. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. It's been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. See you next time, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.